Hello, I'm Jeremy Wright, Senior Consultant at Umbrella Consulting, and in this SYSPRO Quick Tip, I'm going to show you how to make your own navigation pane menu for easy access for whatever you might need. First thing we're going to do is go to the Home tab and open up the navigation pane, and when you click that, you have the option of showing it or showing it minimized. I'm going to show it, and that's where you find your recent programs, your calendar, things like that. But we're going to add a custom menu with items that you want. And to do that, you come up here to this little button, click that, name your new menu, whatever you need. And now you'll see you have two options here, a task panel or a list view. And the task panel will show up like your favorites with the square buttons, and the list view will show up like your navigation pane with the list of items. So I'm just going to do a task panel first, and I'm going to change my icon, and this is the icon that will show up at the bottom. So I'll just choose a little speaker there, and now you see there's a little speaker at the bottom here with your little quick links and my new menu. If I want to start populating that with important things, I can just click and drag them like a favorites menu over to that menu. And like I said, they show up kind of like your favorites. Okay, the second type of menu, since we're here, I'll click that button again. Make a second one here. I'm going to show you the list view with, again, a different icon. I'm going to go with the little factory here. Okay, and same deal. Just drag things over. And this is more like a task list. So if you put them in a certain order, then it helps you keep track of what you need to do. So you can do the account query, bank query, whatever you need to. And you see at the bottom here, you've got your different icons leading to your different types of menus. And that's all there is to it. And if you like the video, please like. Thanks.